Statistics say there is a 70% chance that you or your spouse will experience a need for long-term care. Long-term care includes a range of services and supports you may need to meet your personal care needs. Most long-term care is not medical care, but rather assistance with the basic personal tasks of everyday life, sometimes called activities of daily living, or ADLs. These include bathing, dressing, using the toilet, transferring to or from bed or chairs, caring for incontinence, and eating. Other common long-term care services and supports are assistance with everyday tasks, sometimes called instrumental activities of daily living, or IADLs. These include housework, managing money, taking medication, preparing and cleaning up after meals, shopping for groceries or clothes, using the telephone or communication devices, caring for pets, and responding to emergency alerts such as fire alarms. The cost of long-term care varies with the amount of coverage, length of care, and deductibles. The initial premium level will increase based upon the age at which you apply. Many people wait too long before applying. You owe it to yourself and family to know the options and prepare well today.